Hi guys, welcome back to Unique Dija Space. On today's video, we are going to be making these delicious crunchy snacks with just three ingredients from your kitchen. You will make these delicious snacks for yourself and your kids. It doesn't take you much, it's not expensive, very less expensive snacks. Let's get into the main video. Welcome back. Here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. One, we have flour, 3 cups of flour, 1 over 4 cup of sugar, salt, then 1 over 4 cup of vegetable oil, and we have water to mix it to turn it into a dough. So here I'm going to be adding all the ingredients together. Firstly, that is my flour. I'll add in the sugar and salt. Then I'll mix that together. So to give it a flavor, I'm going to be adding nutmeg. It's optional, you can do away with it. So I just like the aroma of nutmeg, so I'm going to be adding it to mine. So I'll be leaving all the recipe in my description box. Do well to check it out. So here I've mixed all the dry ingredients. I'll be adding in the vegetable oil. The next thing is to add in my water. I'll be adding in this water bit by bit. The first one I add is half cup of water. I'll be using my hands to bring them together until I get a dough. So that half water is not okay. I add in another water. So all the water I use for this recipe is half cup and 1 over 4 cups of water approximately. Half cup and 1 over 4 cups of water. So I'm going to mix this together to get a dough. So like I said, it's a very easy snacks, less ingredients, just with flour, vegetable oil and sugar. You are good to go. So I'll be bringing it down to my working surface. Then I will knead it for a bit. I knead it for like 4 to 5 minutes. So after kneading, I'll allow it to rest for like 10 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can see how the dough is soft and easy to work with. So I'll be cutting it bit by bit because I can't stretch the whole dough because I'm going to make the dough very flat. So I'll cut it bit by bit and use my rolling pin to stretch it out very well. This snacks does not take your time. It is very easy to make, and the ingredients are what you can see in your kitchen. Before you know it, you are done making the snacks. So here I've gotten the flatness that I want. So I'll be using my cookies cutter to cut this out. You can cut any shape of your choice, just play around with it. So I'll use the bigger size also. So after then, I stretch another one out. So I'll be using the smoother face to cut this out. And you'll see what I'm going to do with this. So I'm going to be making it as if it's a meat pie, like a meat pie shape. Then I'll use my fork to bring them together. But if you are doing yours, please kindly rub some water around it before covering it up so that it will not open in the oil. When I'm frying mine, you see what I'm talking about. Just give it any shape you like at all. It is very crunchy, very yummy, just something to snacks on. So I'm going to be repeating this process until I'm done with all my dough. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, kindly like this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. And here I am done cutting it all. I've already heated my oil and it's very hot to go. So I'll be adding it one after the other into the hot oil. So I only make use of two shape, which is the flat one and the meat pie shape. So you can see what I was talking about just now, because I didn't use water to seal it up. See, the mouth is opening. See how all of them is puffing up. So I'm going to fry this until it is golden brown. So I'm still trying to be turning it on each side so that I can get the both side to fry well. So I've gotten the desired color I want, so I'll bring them out of the hot oil. So I'll repeat the whole process until I'm done with everything. And here I am done with the snacks. It is very simple to make and less ingredients. So I'll be opening one. You can see how crunchy. Do you see how crunchy it is? Please try it out and let me know in the comment section if you love it. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all in my next one. Bye.